you through it. You try to feel the void with a couple boys. I can see right through it. I can love you harder than I did before. Was in a dark place back then. I was toxic, then I was toxic to someone else. I was haunted by the years. I couldn't give you my all.